In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your buying power on Robinhood in 2025. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to effectively boost your trading capacity on this popular brokerage platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Robinhood website. If you're unfamiliar with Robinhood, it's a platform that offers 24/5 commission-free stock trading and investing opportunities. Once you're on the homepage, maybe take a moment to explore the offerings if you aren't already familiar. But remember, our main goal today is increasing your buying power. Now, look towards the top right corner of the website. You should find the login button there. It's important to ensure that you're logged into your account to access all the financial tools Robinhood provides. Once you click this button, go ahead and enter your login credentials. This secure access step is crucial, as only logged-in users can deposit additional funds, which is an essential part of increasing buying power. Once logged in, you'll automatically be directed to the Robinhood homepage. It might look familiar if you've been here before. It's where you can see your investments, track your stock watch list, and more. But for our purposes, you'll want to direct your attention to the Account tab or section. Within your account settings, you will find a link labeled Fund Account. This is your gateway to enhancing your buying power. Click on it and you'll be led to a screen that allows you to deposit additional funds. Robinhood provides various options for funding. You can choose to transfer money from a linked bank account, which is quick and secure. Consider checking your current bank balance to ensure you can safely move funds without incurring overdraft fees. Now, this part is important. Enter the amount of money you wish to deposit. Deciding how much to deposit is contingent on your financial planning and investment strategy, so take a moment to calculate what makes sense for you. Keep an eye out for any notifications or confirmations that verify your transaction went through successfully. These alerts are your assurance that everything is processed accurately. After you've made your deposit, your buying power should reflect this instantly or within a short window of time. This increased buying power means you can now invest in more stocks or explore new market avenues, giving you more flexibility in your trading endeavors. And that's it. You have successfully increased your buying power on Robinhood. By keeping an eye on your account and regularly adjusting your deposits based on your financial goals, you're setting yourself up for smarter investing. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.